Hey guys, welcome to today's episode. Nice and simple one for you. Today we're just going to be taking these wheels off because they're rubbish, they're square. I was sold them as used. It wasn't until I got there I realised two were flat. Then I found that they didn't take air in the first place because one's got a massive crack that hasn't been repaired and one's got a leaking valve. But anyway, they weren't exactly right anyway, so they were only ever going to be a stopgap. I have decided Team Dynamics Pro Race 1.2s is the way to go. These are an 8x9 staggered fitment, so 18 by 8 on the front, 18 by 9 here on the back, I believe. So that's what we're going to do today, and then we're going to fit them up and it's going to look awesome. So guys, I'm just around the corner from the tyre shop where I get my tyres done local to my unit. I've got to go to the neighbouring town because the unit's got nothing around it, which is, it's nice for security and it's nice for being able to test a car out on a quiet road, but a bit of a pain. Anyway, Toyo R888Rs for the rear. I run Toyo R888s on the Fiesta and they're the more modern design, as far as I know. As far as I'm aware, they are the more recent upgrade that Toyo do. As for the front, I just picked up some Continental Conti Sports or something like that. I looked on eBay for the right size in something relatively decent, just for cheap. I paid 50 quid for the fronts. They got loads of tread left on them, and I think these I paid 60 quid for, and they've got loads of tread and haven't been through too many heat cycles. The reason being, the guy that I bought them off, he competitively races in time attack with a 700 horsepower Mitsubishi Evo, which is lucky for some, isn't it? So yeah, he doesn't get tyres right to their ends. He'll replace them earlier because he wants to stay competitive, which is great for me because that has loads of tread on it. It hasn't been through too many heat cycles. There's no glazing or anything like that. So yeah, I'll check back in when the tyres are actually on the wheels. So guys, another successful day, sort of. You can't trust people these days, sadly. The front right tyre, perfect. The rear tyres, perfect. The front left, which was sold to me by the same guy that sold me the front right as a good pair, has a hole in it that he'd have definitely known about. Very hard to spot. The guy that fitted it didn't spot it either until after he tried to put air in it. So he said, yeah, it's not your fault. But it just goes to show, doesn't it? Why couldn't you have just sold me one tyre? I'd have bought another one. So now I'm going to have to, he didn't even charge me to fit it because he felt like it was unfair, and he's going to swap it for he's going to, if I get another tyre, he'll charge me then. So yeah, some good people, some wankers. if it was you and you're on here watching, fuck you, twat. But the rears, they're all good. As you could see before, there is a lot of poke on these. I'm either going to have to look at having the inside shaved, machined to bring the wheel in, or roll the arch a lot, which is more likely. The front, I don't have to roll them as much, and I was definitely going to roll them anyway, because the touring cars had rolled arches. But yeah, anyway, these are on. They look great, apart from the one that's flat. Thanks to him, thanks to you guys for watching, thanks to the guy that fitted the tyres for doing me a solid and not charging me for that one. And yeah, if you like what you see, there's more to come on this, fitting a spoiler, doing more in the way of stripping down of the interior, roll cage fitting. I've got the intake now for the engine, so I can run that in on the front, and a few other bits and bobs. So this car is far from done, there's plenty more content to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.